Do you get your nails done? Do you do them yourself? Well, with all the salons closed because of COVID-19, I have a mess on my hands. I've got to do something with them. Do you do your nails yourself? Do you get them done? Drop me a comment below. Let me know. Do you do your nails yourself? Do you get them done? Or do you go naked nails? Well, stay tuned and watch how I am going to take care of my nails during the salon shutdown. But before we go any farther, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and give me a big thumbs up. So what am I going to do with the mess of nails that I have? I can't go to a salon. They're all closed. I'm going to have to do it myself. I have fingernail polish remover. If you have gel or dipped nails, make sure it has acetone in it. I have aluminum foil that I've already cut into pieces, cotton balls, and a fingernail file. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to file that top coat, that kind of shiny part off of the nail so that the acetone remover can get into it. I'm just going to do a little bit. I'm not going to really do a lot of filing. So it looks kind of got a little white there. A little white. You can tell that I needed to really get them done. They're starting to look pretty nasty. I just didn't know what to do with them. So I'm going to bring you along on my journey of what I'm going to do with my nails. Now I'm going to take a cotton ball. I'm going to soak it really good into some acetone remover. Place it on top of that nail. Now I went ahead and pre-cut my aluminum foil so you didn't have to watch me do that. Got to wrap it around there. Ooh, you can see I got a lot in there. It's going down my arm. Wrap it around, give it a good turn and down. Just like that. Then I'm going to do it with the next one. Put it on top. Put that aluminum foil on there. Wrap it around, give it a turn and down. Okay, now I'm going to do all 10 of my nails, but I'm not going to make you watch all that. So I'll see you again in a minute. I was able to do this hand all by myself, but I can't do this hand. I got an unwilling participant to help me do these fingers. So we're going to see how well he can do.
Oh, not very well.
He's going to put this cotton ball on it, wrap it tight. Yay! He did it!
I'm so glad that wasn't on your middle finger.
Only 4 more to go. I can say though, he's not going to do this as a profession.
Hey, that wasn't the plan to. I didn't do very well.
It's on.
Okay.
He didn't know what he got himself into when I called him in here.
No, I thought you were having to take more trash or something.
Do more chores?
Yeah.
This is a chore.
I guess.
Ooh, that one was great. Look at that. This is what happens when COVID-19 shuts down the nail salons.
You do it yourself, or get your son.
You get your son to do it. One more. Okay, very good. Yay!
How are you going to shut that off?
Now say, thanks, Jeff. Thanks, Jeff. Bye. Oh, I can't. You gotta shut it off.
So, while I'm waiting for it to work, I'm gonna lay on the couch for a little bit and take a nap. Yes! I hope it turns out.
So, I've taken them off, and I did get most of it off. That was left on for about 25 minutes. And I know that's longer than probably some of you would do, or maybe I even needed to, but I wanted it to get off without too much trouble. Plus, I laid down and went to sleep. Took a nap. And you can see. But I laid down, took a little nap while it was working. And so now I'm just going to finish cleaning it up. I broke some. Some of them kind of broke because they're much more thin. But I did buy some nail tips that I think I'm going to try to put on. So we're going to see how all that works out. So I'm going to finish getting them cleaned up, piled, and we'll see what comes up next. Hi, I'm back. I got them all cleaned off, and I went ahead and cut them all pretty short. And then on a few of them, I've even already started putting on some of the nail tips. And on this one, I've even went ahead and kind of shaped it up to show you what it was going to look like. I just got some not too expensive little nail tips, and I'd already matched up the sizes that I needed, so I was pretty certain. I don't know about my thumb. I might need a different one on my thumb. I think that one will be good. they are extra super duper long. There's no way that I want them that long. Cutting them before I even put them on. Cut that, and then it says to put the glue on your natural nail. So I'm putting it on it. Put it on it there. And then to put it on like this, and then to hold it for about 5 seconds. It really doesn't even take 5 seconds when it's on. And you can tell it's kind of all, let me get that glue in there, but you can loosen it up from your skin. So there. Now, to make this one easier to file, I went ahead because I don't like the, I like it curved or oval shape. So what I did was I used my clippers, and I went in and took the edges off, and then the top. Kind of go ahead and make it a little bit oval shape so that it wouldn't be quite as hard to make into it though. So make sure they're kind of all about the same length. That's good to me. I'll get this one down. Make this a little bit longer than what I want. That's all I'm going to do right now. I'll do the rest off camera so you don't have to sit here and watch me do all this. I'll do this plus my son is wanting my webcam. He's wanting to do a Zoom with some college friends that they normally hang out with. They're just in their time together. They want to get together and visit, so I'm going to let them do that. We've ordered him a webcam, especially since he's starting to take his college classes online. Our Walmart didn't have any, imagine that. And then I ordered from Amazon, and it says it's not going to be here till like April the 15th. So in the meantime, we're sharing a webcam back and forth. But he has a desktop, which doesn't, desktops don't have webcams on them. And I have a webcam on my laptop, but the webcam that I have is a Logitech C920 Pro, and it makes things so much better. So I just trade it back and forth so I can have good videos. So I'll finish up, show you what it looks like later.